Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials so you avoid wasted steps. First, confirm your device supports the specific 5G band and that the carrier provisioning is active. This prevents band mismatch. Next, check the SIM and account state and note firmware and modem versions. Make sure to record signal strength, cell ID, and the exact time of the failure. These facts speed diagnosis. Once done, you'll have the baseline data needed to proceed into targeted troubleshooting. You now isolate the fault by changing one variable at a time. Swap SIMs or use a verified 5G device to distinguish device versus network failures. This clarifies responsibility. Then run detailed logs, modem debug, RSRP/RSRQ, SNR, and attach or registration traces. These numbers show where connection drops. Use field tools like a spectrum scan, drive test, or carrier OSS probes when possible, because they reveal interference, coverage holes, or backhaul problems. You finish by applying targeted fixes and confirming results. If diagnostics point to provisioning, force a carrier reprovision. If firmware or APN settings are wrong, update them. If RF issues appear, try an antenna or site adjustment. Retest at the same site and time, and compare before and after logs and KPIs like attach rate, throughput, and latency. If the problem persists, escalate with clear reproduction steps, time-stamped evidence, and the collected logs so the carrier or engineering team can act.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.